What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Hello, I am Angelle. I am a style blogger that is currently building her very own high-low capsule wardrobe. Now, the capsule wardrobe that I'm building is a little bit unorthodox, so you know, funners. If any of that sounds interesting to you, please, well, any of that. I also do like style unboxings like we're doing today, or wardrobe unboxings like we're doing today. So if that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Alright, y'all, so we have another unboxing today, and it is also a luxury item. I know the last unboxing was the Hanifa cardigan dress. That was definitely a luxury item, and we do have another luxury item that we are unboxing today, and this was on my wish list. This is a special one because this is a wish list item, okay, y'all. Y'all already know what it is from the title and the thumbnail, okay? If you follow me, you already know what it is. If you've watched that wishlist video, if you've watched my previous videos, then you really already know what it is. But if you don't, and you do not, and you are new here, girl, where have you been? Girl, where have you been? It's okay. It's okay. We all take time. It takes time for us to come around, but welcome, okay? Welcome. This is a wishlist item, y'all. First of all, I love me a good pair of Lokes. A good pair of sunnies. I saw these on an influencer that I follow on Instagram, and when I saw them on her, I actually saw the black ones on her. When I saw them on her, I was like, stunning, gorgeous, word, yes, all the things. And I was like, I'm gonna get them. And then I went into the store and I saw them in the store, and I was like, they're so extra, they're so gaudy, they're so in your face. I have to have them, okay? I have to have them. However, there was a nice $550, $60 price tag that accompanied them, okay? And I was like, I cannot afford them. I have to have them. I cannot afford them. So I saved up my little pennies, saved up my little coins, and we are here today. So y'all, okay, so I did get them from Sunglass Hut. Y'all, I only have one. Well, I have two other pair of sunglasses. I have my black Tom Ford kind of cat eye glasses. Love those for me. And those are like my black. And then I have like my Ray-Ban kind of aviators, but they're not like the traditional aviator of like cut or frame. They're kind of circular, kind of give a little 70s vibe. And those are cute too. I really like those. Love my Tom Fords, y'all. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead, open it up. So here is the little case that they come in. Okay, now I did try these on in the store, so I know what they look like. I tried on like the display. And then you have the like instruction book or something like that. Yeah. And you have your little cloth to wipe your glasses off. It says like Chanel is embossed across them. So opening them up, okay, case. Here are the sunglasses, y'all. Now, when I saw these, I was just like, y'all, they are everything. They are everything. I just have to have them. We're gonna go ahead and put them on, okay? Let's go ahead and put them on. Y'all, like I pushed them all the way back because of my eyelashes, but y'all, y'all, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Can I get more tea? Thank you, sir. Like, y'all, stop playing with me. These glasses are everything. I absolutely love them. I love them. Oh, they are so expensive. $570 or $60. Yeah, $560. That's a lot of money. That is a lot of money, y'all. But I am just in love with these. Like, I have my black, and to be honest, I actually don't plan on getting any more sunglasses. I know the girls usually have 15, 20 pairs of sunglasses. In building my capsule wardrobe, first of all, I'm going to tell y'all like this, straight like that. It ain't even that sunny in the UK that often. Okay, I'm going to be real. It's not. So I don't think there is a need for like multiple pair of sunglasses. I feel like 1, 2, maybe 3 pair of sunglasses that I'm absolutely in love with, and that's all I need. I have my Tom Fords, and I really do love them. Love them to death. Have been wearing them nonstop. Even when it's not sunny out, I throw on my shades. And you know, they're good. Makeup, no makeup, I'm good. Throw on my shades. These are my tortoise shades. So like that's my black covered. This is my brown covered. And then I have the Ray-Bans, which are gold, right? I may get one more pair of maybe like white or just some like off color, whatever. But I don't think I need any more sunglasses than that. I feel like that's a good amount of sunglasses for my capsule wardrobe. But y'all, I am absolutely in love with these. I feel like they are the perfect addition to my capsule wardrobe. Like, I mean, honestly, like they are the right amount of extra. They are just, yeah, I'm in love with them, y'all. I am absolutely in love with them. And that's just what it is. Like that's just what it is. I am in love with them. I love them. And we ain't gotta say nothing else. So tell me what y'all think. Are they too much? Do y'all think they're too much? Do y'all think they're too much? Do y'all think they're too gaudy? Do y'all think that y'all don't have to tell me if they were too expensive? I know damn well they were too much money. I'm not gonna lie about that for some goddamn plastic and some C's on it. They were way too expensive. However, I have them. I'm excited as. And yeah, we gonna rock them down the house, baby. For the money that we pay for these, we gonna sleep in these hoes. Okay? We need to put our prescription in these because we gonna be reading these. Okay? We gonna be doing everything. Okay? But again, y'all, I am so excited. I'm so happy that I have them. And I do feel like they are another great addition to my capsule wardrobe. Again, I will not be styling them here. I've tried them on for y'all. I won't be styling them here because we're going to do some styling videos down the line. Because, you know, we don't have that much stuff. So we're going to be doing some styling videos down the line. But yes, y'all. So excited. I would like to thank y'all for watching. Please like this video if you like this video. Follow me on Instagram over at Angelle's Life to stay updated with my daily fashion looks, okay, my daily styles. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.